BTS, this is over Ocean Star, onboard to Cebu Harbor over. Ocean Star, this is Cebu, BTS, go ahead over.
Cebu VTS MV Ocean Star is 5 nautical miles south of the harbor entrance. Request traffic information and permission to enter over.
Ocean Star, traffic is moderate 1, outbound vessel on your port side. Maintain course, reduce speed to 10 knots, report to wind at Boy Alpha over.
Reducing speed to 10 knots and will report at Buoy Alpha. MV Ocean Star over. Cebu VTS MV Ocean Star at Buoy Alpha over.
BTS Ocean Star, proceed to Breath 3. Tug assistance available of required. Maintain safe distance from outbound traffic over.